People are looking to the future in Grand County, where last year's East Troublesome Fire destroyed some of the most beautiful landscapes in our state. Also, 366 homes burned to the ground near Grand Lake, stretching all the way over towards Rocky Mountain National Park. And only about a quarter of those owners have gotten permits to rebuild as they struggle to get money from the insurance companies and their lenders.
CBS 4's Jamie Leary has been reporting on this since the fire started. She met a couple who has paid more than $100,000 out of their pocket just trying to rebuild.
Out of the 366 homes lost here, only about a quarter of them have permits to rebuild. Getting money from insurance company and lenders has been a new kind of nightmare for many here. We met one couple who's paid more than $100,000 so far out of pocket to rebuild because their lender is holding on to their insurance payout.
It's particularly heartbreaking when you see clients who have paid premiums for 40 years, 42 years, and now a year after the fire, their claim has still not been paid out.
Natasha O'Flaherty represents numerous homeowners in Grand County fighting insurance for timely payouts. And a year after the fire,
we want to revisit what's going on, and you want to revisit the value of your home. And not just the value, what does it cost to rebuild? Because right now in the current market, the rebuild costs are probably higher than the market value of your home was at the time of the fire.
This will be the kitchen.
Amanda thought the biggest hurdle was making it out of the fire alive.
I saw our neighbor's house on fire. All I saw was the chimney and flames everywhere, and then it was just like this wave of flames.
They lost everything last year, and their nightmare continues.
Where the real nightmare begins is what we learned is our mortgage company withholds our money, and they get to pick and choose when they want to release it.
Out of more than $100,000, their lender has released about 30 with no clear explanation.
So they have a policy saying that they only release money when the house is 50% complete.
Natasha isn't their attorney, but believes the couple may have a case.
The lack of terms and conditions of how and when this money will be paid out in her situation is beyond frustrating.
Big picture, Natasha says fires will continue to take homes. Know the agreements with your lender and your insurance carrier.
Read your policy. Just see what you have, and is that what you want to have, and is it adequate?
We reached out to Amanda and Mike's lender, Fifth Third Bank, for comment on multiple occasions and have yet to hear back. Because of the lessons learned from the rebuilding process here, there's legislation in the works to make the claims process more timely and easier for the insured. Reporting from Grand County, Jamie Leary, CBS 4 Mountain Newsroom.
Oh, and Lauren, that report just reminds us